Today, let's talk about a paradox at the very heart of modern medicine, the pager. Believe it or not, for many hospitals, it's still the go-to for critical alerts. So, why is this 1950s tech still around in our most advanced medical centers?
Well, pagers earn their spot. They're reliable, the signal just works, and everyone knows how to use them.
But here's the thing, those old strengths are now creating huge modern-day risks.
And the first major risk? It's a big one, HIPAA compliance.
Look at this. Pagers just don't have the encryption or audit trails that HIPAA demands.
Think about a typical page. It's just a one-way blast of information into the void. So, did anyone even get it? Is help on the way? You just don't know.
This one-way communication creates uncertainty, limits information, and is frankly just outdated.
Okay, so what's the solution? Secure, two-way messaging applications. The difference is night and day. It's a shift from ambiguity to accountability.
Modern apps have persistent alerts that cut right through a phone's silent mode. You won't miss it.
This means your clinicians only need to carry one device for everything. No more juggling. And you can send so much more context, photos, voice notes, you name it. Right, this is way more than a pager replacement. It's a complete communication hub. So how do you actually make the switch? The key is a smart, gradual plan. This step-by-step approach builds a clear path to success without disrupting care.
And get this, modern platforms can integrate with old pagers, letting staff adapt at their own pace.
The end goal? A single, unified platform for your entire clinical team. Which brings us to the real question for every hospital leader. Is your system an asset or a liability?